Is it time to buy or sell Intel stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Intel. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 7th of October, 2024, our system has classified Intel as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.93. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has achieved a gain of 4.74%. This results in an average return of 0.79% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are likely. The trend observed over the past 3 months suggests a potential decrease of approximately 25.94% in the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 52.7% to 17.40%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it indicates a possible decline of around 45.46% over the next year, with an expected return between a decrease of 62.28% and 28.09%. This would correspond to a price range of approximately $8.84 to $16.86 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Intel reveals a notable headline: a decline for Intel stock on Monday after losing 0.509%. On the most recent trading day, which was Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, Intel's stock price decreased by 0.509%, dropping from $23.56 to $23.44. Throughout that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.15%, with a low of $23.27 and a high of $23.77. The stock has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 0.09% over this time frame. Interestingly, trading volume also declined on that day alongside the stock price, which is generally viewed as a positive indicator, as volume ideally should align with price changes. On the last day, trading volume fell by 8 million shares, leading to a total of 35 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $822,091,000. In the last 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $51.28, while the lowest was $18.51. Currently, the price stands at 54.29%, or $27.84, below the 52-week high, and 66.17%, or $45.85, below the all-time high recorded on January 24, 2020. At that time, the price peaked at $69.29. Intel is generating considerable buzz in the market today, with developments that could significantly impact its stock trajectory. Recent headlines indicate that Intel is collaborating with Mavenir to enhance artificial intelligence capabilities in its Open RAN software, showcasing advancements that could strengthen its position in the telecommunications sector. This integration is expected to bolster the appeal of Intel's Xeon processors, potentially increasing demand and market share. Moreover, Intel's partnership with NRG Esports is set to spotlight its new processor technology during a Valorant-centric event, enticing gamers and developers alike. This move may help revitalize interest in Intel's products amidst ongoing competition in the gaming space. However, not all news is favorable. Analysts caution that tax loss selling could pressure Intel shares as mutual funds approach their fiscal year-end on the last day of October. This sentiment follows a lackluster year for the stock, which has seen declines in line with the broader semiconductor industry, struggling to capitalize on market rebounds fully. This might lead to short-term volatility as investors reassess their positions. In the long term, Intel's innovations, including its newly launched Arrow Lake chips with enhanced energy efficiency, highlight its efforts to regain competitive ground. Positive advancements may catalyze stock recovery, but elevated market volatility and historical underperformance could weigh on investor sentiment. As Intel navigates this landscape, its ability to adapt and innovate will be crucial for its stock's future performance. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 3rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Intel a grade of equal weight with a recommendation to hold. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned Intel a grade of buy with a recommendation to hold. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, it was also reported that Wolfe Research assigned Intel a grade of reduce with a recommendation to hold. On Tuesday, the 17th of September, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned Intel a grade of underperform with a recommendation to hold. On the same day, it was reported that Exane BNP Paribas assigned Intel a grade of underperform with a recommendation to hold. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Intel stock. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book value as a buy as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts have designated the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Intel. Intel's stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. Should there be downward corrections, support can be expected at $23.14 and $21.49. A decline below either of these levels would generate sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 6, 2024, and thus far, the stock has increased by 24.09%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. However, some negative signals have also surfaced, which may influence short-term developments. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal, recorded 27 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, identified 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, observed 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal, which occurred 18 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, indicated 22 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal, which took place 138 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal recorded 146 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Intel. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $21.84 and $21.48. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, Intel finds support just below today's level at $21.84. If this is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $21.48 and $21.47. This stock experiences average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 5 cents between its high and low, which is a change of 2.15%. For the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.26%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Intel, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This notably high PE ratio suggests that the stock may be overvalued. However, it is not unusual for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 31st of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates indicate a loss of 3 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Intel. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Intel is at $23.46. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Intel encounters its first support level at $21.84. If this support level holds, it could be a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Intel from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the 27th of September, 2024, Yeri Frank D made an insider purchase of 3,136,763 shares of phantom stock units. On the same day, Smith Gregory D conducted an insider purchase of 1,516,102 shares of phantom stock units. Also on September 27th, Ishraq Omar bought 1,306,985 shares of phantom stock units. On that date, Goldsmith Andrea Joe conducted an insider purchase of 1,254,706 shares of phantom stock units. Earlier, on the 31st of August, 2024, Gowell Scott sold 2,024 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is currently positive, with a ratio of 1.612. In total, insiders acquired 440,463 shares, while selling 421,731 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $22.53, reflecting a decline of 3.88%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 26 days ago. Is Intel stock a good buy? There are several positive short-term signals. Even though the stock is currently in a downward trend, it appears that this level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 15th of October, we anticipate Intel will open up by approximately 5 cents and start trading at $23.49. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Please refrain from basing your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What are your target expectations for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.